A lot of us have been trying to figure out how we could share our iPad screen with our students via Zoom. So I've kind of figured it out, and I think that it's pretty straightforward. So I figured I'd make a video for everybody in case you're interested. So the first thing you do is you create a Zoom meeting. Once you've created a Zoom meeting, and I'm going to share my screen right now with you so that you could see. Once you've created a Zoom meeting, you're going to see up at the very top where it says ID. In this case, it's 681-719-385. You are then going to go onto your iPad, and you're going to click on the Zoom app, and you are going to join a meeting. So you're going to click on the top where it says join a meeting. And up there, you're going to actually put in the code, the name of the meeting ID. So I'm going to put in the code, and 681-719-385. I am actually creating this video on Zoom itself. So I'm recording it to my computer, and then I'll upload it. So when you connect, just be careful so that your iPad, since you're going to be on your laptop with audio, that you select your iPad don't connect to audio. That way the voice will be recorded from your laptop as opposed to your iPad. So you click on join, and you'll see the screen opening up, and now I am on this. And so now what you're going to do is at the top of your screen and I apologize for all the things that are up there, at the very top, you're going to click on share content of your iPad, and you click on share screen, and then you're going to get, and again, it's recording a different thing. You're going to click on Zoom and then start broadcast, and you'll start seeing the screen of your iPad. And so then from there, I double click and I go into my explain everything or my Notability, and you can actually write, and then the students will be able to see that specific screen that you're writing on. So I hope that's helpful for you. And then to unshare the screen, you double click on it, and you can click back to the top, and you can go up top to where it says, right up there where it says stop share. And then you are back on only your iPad and laptop. And then from there, you can then actually unselect. So I'm going to cover my iPad up so that you don't necessarily see my face zoomed in, but then you can actually double click and leave the meeting in the top left hand of your iPad. So then the only one that you have is the video from your laptop instead of your iPad. Hope that helps.